So, Marianne, could you tell us something about who you are and what you're doing here?
Of course, first of all, welcome to the Seafood Scotland Seafood Bar, part of the Scottish Pavilion. My name is Marianne. I'm the head of trade marketing for Europe, and I work for Seafood Scotland, the Scottish trade agency and marketing agency for the Scottish seafood industry.
Uh, so, what are the key messages that you've been bringing to the expo this year?
So this year we really wanted to focus on both the amazing quality of our products, but also the widest selection possible of products Scotland offers. So that's why at the Seafood Bar we made sure we served shellfish, whitefish, farm fish, and make sure that people know about the wide selection of species we can get in Scotland, but also their premiumness, their quality, their freshness. We were very fortunate to launch the Scottish Quality Langoustine Scheme to reinforce the highest level of quality possible we get from Scottish langoustines, and other events that really highlighted the wide array of products we get in Scotland.
So, what's your impression been of the show this year?
I really think we're back to pre-COVID levels. I think it's buzzing. We've seen a lot of people coming from, I would say, almost every continent, and we've been very fortunate to get buyers, to get journalists, to get people inquiring about our products, about our companies, and we've been able to serve food to clients from all over the world.
Uh, so, Adam, what are the key messages you've been bringing to the expo this year about Loch Duos?
So we've been very busy updating our customers. Barcelona is such a draw. We get people all around from the world coming to speak to us, and we've been updating them about some really exciting new information. So our heritage bred Scottish salmon, we've been talking about our new lines of smoked salmon, which has been getting some fantastic feedback so far. And today we've also launched our new welfare standard, which is called the Loch Duart standard. So customers very pleased to hear about the new products, the stories, and also about the new welfare standards that we've been implementing in all our farms.
So, what's your impression been of the expo this year?
Yeah, this year feels a bit different actually. Everyone's ready here to come and do business, which is great news for producers like yourselves. We'll be busy over the next couple of days following up on all these new leads and also exploring, expanding existing relationships as well for more volume.
So, can you tell us a little bit about who you are and about Hidden Fjord?
Yeah, sure. My name is Oli Hansen. I'm the sales director of Hidden Fjord in the Faroe Islands, a family-owned salmon company exhibiting here in Barcelona.
So, what are the key messages that you're bringing to Barcelona?
Yeah, for us it's really important to be here exhibiting and continue to build our brand present in the market, to share our efforts we do on sustainability in our farming and in our distribution methods, and of course to meet our current customers and to find new customers that can.
So, how have you found the show so far compared with previous years?
Yeah, so this year's show has been a really good show for us. I think probably the busiest show that we've ever had here in Barcelona. So it's been a fantastic show for us.
So, Andy, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your role at Seafish?
Hi, I'm Andy Gray. I'm Trade Engagement Manager at Seafish, and I'm part of the group at Seafish that organises the UK's presence at Seafood Expo Global here in Barcelona, Spain.
So, what's your impression of the show so far this year?
Well, we're here on day 2. It's a 3-day expo. Yesterday, fantastically busy day. We've got 15 UK exhibitors on the UK Pavilion. It was a busy day from start of the day through to the end. We had a UK Fisheries Minister, Daniel Zeichner, officially opening the UK Pavilion. Business was brisk. Great to see people from all over the world coming to find out, learn more about UK fish and shellfish.
So, what are the key messages you have about why people should buy British seafood?
The UK is here to showcase the wide variety of fish and shellfish that we produce as a nation, the quality. We've got great trust from the rest of the world in British business, and that we are able to fulfil the demands from other parts of the world with regard to the supply of fish and shellfish, including such species as brown crab, European lobster, mackerel, whelk, and many other species.